Who's responsible for a car accident? Well, every scene is different. The law prescribes how you're supposed to operate a motor vehicle at intersections, at stoplights, stop signs, on open roads, in parking lots. So a lot depends on the situation. If you have a vehicle, that runs a red light and you run into it, you struck them, but you're not at fault because they ran the red light. They violated one of the Pennsylvania statutes on duties at a traffic control device. People back out into the road and they'll say, "Oh, I didn't see you coming and you hit me." But if you have the straightaway, you have what's called the right-of-way in the road. No one can enter it without it being safe. If somebody backs out in front of you and you run into them, it's still their fault. It really depends on what happens in the situation, who's at fault. But most times, it's going to be the person that did not follow the simple rules of the road that we all know. Stop at stop signs, stop at yield signs. If you're at a stop sign and you're trying to cross a multi-lane road, you have to wait and make sure it's clear before you proceed. Fault is something that, it can be determined immediately or it can be determined afterwards. It's important that you get the police there because then the police will get both sides of the story, and then you'll have a better picture later on to be able to really put into words what happened and lay out, why you weren't responsible, why the other person was liable for the accident. There's a lot that goes into figuring out who's to blame, and a lawyer can help you determine that.